Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I am so excited yet pretty nervous because we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Pr Box. I have no idea what we're getting in here. I really hope it's better than last month. So if you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so first and foremost, I want to say a huge thank you to Ipsy so much for gifting this to me in PR. It really means so much to me. And if you guys don't know, Ipsy does gift me the $25 plus box. So this has about 5 full-size items in here with a makeup bag. And one of the coolest things about Ipsy's whole box is that you actually get to have 3 customizations out of the 5 items. You get to pick 3. Now, sometimes you're very limited on what you can pick. You usually get your customization choices on the first, the second, the latest, and you have to be kind of on it because things go quick. But I'm so excited because the things I picked out for my own paid for box is just makeup items. So we're so excited to see what we got in here. Last time I got a lot of skincare. I hope to get some makeup. Okay, so first things first, we have this makeup bag right here. Oh, that's right. They do give me the $12 bag too. I completely forgot. I feel like I've seen this bag before. I feel like this bag was featured last year. Oh, I'm not entirely sure, but okay. So here we have the $12 bag in here. Now, sometimes I get the 5 items in here. Sometimes they are scattered in here. I really don't know. But one of the first things that we got in here is the KVD. This is the Lock-It setting powder. I know they're not KVD anymore. There's some really long name that your girl just doesn't know. Cara Invasiva something. I don't know, but here is the little miniature setting powder. I've actually never used a setting powder before. I have it in my collection. I think the miniature, but I never actually used it. So I definitely have to give this a go. Oh my God, right here it says confidence comes from within. That's actually really cute. Okay, so next we have Arcelli. This is the Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. I have received this numerous times from the Ipsy collection, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass this into my No Waste Wednesday because it is a liquid liner and your girl sucks at liquid liners. I don't want to bother swatching it, so we're gonna go ahead and add this to the No Waste Wednesday. Next, we do have Sila Skin to Seed Scrub. This is a natural grain polish. So finely milled Kupa seeds gently and effectively exfoliate the skin, while Absinthian oil and shea butter replenish moisture. Orange, ciderwood, and patchouli essence oil uplift, balance, and relax the senses. So I really do like the packaging on this. I think the packaging is absolutely beautiful, very nice. So let's see how this is. I hope it's like a little hand cream. Oh, it actually smells really pleasant. Oh, that's really nice. It smells like walking into Bed Bath & Beyond. That's just exactly what it smells like, walking into Bed Bath & Beyond. Where's my 20% off coupon? Okay, so I think I'm supposed to use this with water. I don't think I'm supposed to put it in my hands. Apply to wet skin in circular motions. Yeah, I'm supposed to use it with water, not by itself, but that is really cool. Okay, last but not least, we got in here a little St. Luxe highlighter in Celestial. That's cool. Ooh, that's a really pretty highlight. Definitely on the pinky side. It might be a little bit too deep for me to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday, but it actually really is super pretty. That's cool. Okay, so I seem to have only gotten 3 items in here, which means I think 2 of these might be sample sizes. So in this bag, we have the leave-in conditioner. So I've actually never tried this brand. I have seen it all over social media, but never actually given it a go myself. I think this might be inside the $12 bag instead of the $25 bag. I could be mistaken, but this seems to be a sample size. So we'll definitely have to give this one a go. That's super cool. I've always wanted to give this one a try. All right, so the next item we got is from Florence by Mills. This is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil. So it says that this lip oil serves serious looks and hydration while adding a pop of shine for that glow, yeah, feeling all day long. So here we have it right here. I actually really do enjoy lip oils. I think they're really comfortable, especially if you're just lounging around the house and you want to put on something that's hydrating to the lips. I really recommend lip oil. So I'm definitely going to give this one a go. I wonder how this smells. I hope it smells. Ooh, it's like throwback to the classic lip. Ooh. It's the styles I used to put on as a kid. Like lip smuckers. You guys remember those? Oh, that doesn't even have a smell to it. Okay. Okay, so next we got the IT Cosmetics. This is the Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. Groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused brush hair. So pairs perfectly with your skincare, color-infused powders, solid serum foundations, and oil complex products. Revolutionary IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Brush Hair is infused with anti-aging collagen, skin, niacin, and antioxidants. So it says buff your favorite skincare and makeup onto skin using circular motions for beautiful skin smoothing results. So I think I won't use this for foundation. I think I actually might want to try this for skincare. I got something like this last month in like a box or Ipsy, and I believe it was for actual like foundation brush. So I think I'm gonna try this just to see how it works for skincare. So that's actually really cool. Hopefully it does have like anti-aging properties, because if it doesn't, it lied. Okay, so next we have some products from Refreshments, which is Ipsy's brand. This is the Breezy Deodorant. This is Lavender Splash, and this is unscented. So it says that this is aluminum-free, baking soda-free, and leaves your skin feeling extra fresh. Are always vegan and free of parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. Formulated without gluten and nut allergies, our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free and clinically allergy and dermatologically tested. So we have an unscented one. I'm gonna smell it, but not like I need to because it's unscented, but you never know. Okay, no, legit, that is unscented. Okay. That's just so weird. I can't imagine my armpits not having like some sort of scent to it. Like, I mean, I guess you can, your natural BO scent, but it's here in Florida. Your girl needs some sort of like sweet smelling deodorant. Ooh, that is very strong, like lavender. Just because you just, you know, it's hot here in Florida and you can sweat like a little bitch. So you just want to make sure you're nice and fresh the whole time. Another part of the Refreshment line is this Pearly Body Wash. This is the Citrus Spritz. And this is cleanses and moisturizes at once and doesn't strip natural oils. I may or might not try this out. I think I might have put this into a No Waste Wednesday. You just never know. But that's actually really cool. They're rolling out with their own, like, I guess, skincare, body, whatever they're rolling out with. It's pretty cool. All right, next we have Koa Life. Oh my God, is this Koa Life? Is this like for my baby dog? Ah! Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. So this is no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. So this protects skin from damage, is all it says it does. And it helps with the appearance of hyperpigmentation, cleanses and purifies and rejuvenates the skin. Oh my God, this is so cool. So I really hope this is Koa, because it looks like Koa, and my 10-month-old German Shepherd male his name is Koa. So do I just have something in honor of him? Because that is actually so cool if I do. Okay, all right. All right, so next we have a Haas Laboratories. This is Burlesque. This is a lipstick, it seems to be. And again, I don't know what came in what box, unfortunately. So here we have this. The packaging is really super cute. Oh, bitch. Look at that red. Oh, it even has some red sparklies in it. Oh, that is so cool. That's really, really, really pretty. I haven't bought Haas Laboratories since it first came out. And I realized I haven't really needed to too much because BoxyCharm and Ipsy likes to work with them all the time. So that's really cool. Okay, so last but not least, we have, this seems to be like an eyeshadow palette. This is the Shades of Sean MBY Makeup Studio. This is the neutral edition. First off, I really do like the ombre packaging and the mattified packaging. Super, super nice. This is how the palette looks. Very beautiful, very, very neutral-esque. And surprisingly enough, I have been wearing neutral eyes lately. I've just been kind of getting into it so much, but this is actually really, really beautiful. This Hex shade is absolutely stunning. I've never actually heard of this brand before, so I hope it's a really good quality, but this Hex shade is absolutely divine. So I may or may not put this into my No Waste Wednesday. We'll just see. But I believe that is everything that we got in our box. And right here we do have the Santa sack to go with it. So what are my thoughts on this month's box? Definitely better than last month. Did incorporate just a little bit more makeup, but it's still just not as exciting, unfortunately. Like, I don't know. I just feel like maybe the products are less. Maybe I'm having a harder time determining what goes to what bag. And I just feel like when it comes to my paid for box, I generally get a pick of a lot of makeup. So I know that I think I'm getting like 3 makeup items for sure. maybe 2 skincares or like 1 skincare. I'm not entirely sure. In here, I feel like I get a little bit more skincare sometimes when I do makeup, but either way, I'm okay with it because I know that whether I'll use it or not, it will go to good hands, whether I put it on my No Waste Wednesdays. So I'm very grateful for receiving this box. I think this box was definitely such an improvement from last month's box, but it's still not the most exciting to me, and that's okay. Like, I'm still appreciative nonetheless. So we'll definitely see what I got for it in my paid for box. Hopefully it's gonna come soon. I'm excited because I think I saw, like, I think I picked a mascara. I know, I think that's one of the things I picked was like a mascara, but I always forget when it comes to picking these items because I pick it and then I just go about my day and I just forget about it. So yeah, definitely not a bad box, just definitely not my favorite box in the slightest. And that's okay. Like I said, you win some, you lose some, and I know that my pay for box is gonna be great. So that's all that matters. Yeah, guys, hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's Art for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to do this. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. And to my viewers and my subscribers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, whether you guys thumbs down this video, whether you guys subscribed, unsubscribed, didn't subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Lip oil. Let's see. This is in and Silk Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion. That's like perfect for. So we have 2 different deodorants right here. This is the Breezy Deodorant, and this is the own like stuff that they created. So they did incorporate some more skincare. Definitely.